Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Jamaica's tourist minister, Edmund Bartlett, has been named a global icon at the ITB in Berlin. Greetings, and salutations, to all nation. Everyone wants to visit Jamaica. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Rastafari, taking of people's TV. Thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman panel. Build up the Rastaman channel by subscribing and leaving your comment, ladies and gentlemen. The Jamaican tourist minister, Edmund Bartlett, has been named the global icon at the ITB in Berlin. Now, the ITB is a international tourismus bourse in Berlin. Is the world's largest tourist trade fair that companies representing at the fair, including hotels, tourist boards, tourist operators, system providers, airlines, car rental companies. Now, the Pacific Area Travel Writers Association, which is PATWA, has bestowed the prestigious title of Global Tourism Icon upon Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett, recognizing his outstanding contribution to the tourism industry. This esteemed accolade has presented on Wednesday come as the testaments to the Minister Bartlett's relentless dedication to the promising and promoting sustainability of tourism practices, fostering a cultural exchange and advancing the tourist sector in the global stage. He has been at the forefront of initiatives aimed to enhance visitors' experience, building resilience, and creating economic opportunity for local communities through tourism. Upon receiving the title of Global Tourist Icon, Bartlett expressed gratitude to the Pacific Area Travel Writers Association for estimated recognition. He emphasized the importance of collective action to advance the tourism industry, underscoring the role of collaboration involving the innovation and exclusiveness in shaping the future of travel. It has been my life mission to ensure that the tourism sector in Jamaica flourishes in terms of arrivals, earning, economic growth, and resilience. I am pleased that throughout public-private sector partnership, we have not only weathered the most devastating period of global tourism in history, but have elevated Jamaica as a premier and a premium travel destination, and also set a benchmark for excellence in the global tourism landscape. A release from the Minister of Tourism quote Bartlett as saying, the Pacific Area Travel Writers Association decided to honor Minister Bartlett at the Global Tourism Icon, reaffirms his status as a visionary, a leader, and a trailblazer in the field of tourism. His unwavering commitment to excellence and sustainability serves as the inspiration to the industry, professional and traveling alike. Minister Bartlett is leading in the delegation at ITB Berlin, the world's largest travel trade show, with over 20,000 participants expect this year. ITB Berlin is viewed as an important platform for the international tourism industry, facilitating knowledge and networking. I want to say congratulations, first of all, to my beautiful island of Jamaica and to the Minister of Tourism. Yes, Minister Edmund Bartlett is a nice shining glimmer of hope that we will continue to be a sparkling vacation destination for many worldwide, because many have traveled to Jamaica, millions per year. As we congratulate Jamaica for its beautiful destination and for its hospitality, we want to remind the people them that only only about 1% of Jamaica's beach are available to the natives, and we want to continue to push for equal rights and justice in Jamaica as tourists worldwide has made Jamaica their destination for a beautiful, beautiful life of relaxation. We want to make sure that all our Jamaicans in the island are partaking or are allowed to partake, if they do choose so, at this beautiful, beautiful oasis, this beautiful location in the Caribbean called Jamaica. I want to congratulations again to the Jamaican tourist industry. Yes, for the Pacific Area Travel Writers Association has bestowed the prestigious title of Global Tourism Icon upon the Minister of Tourism, Edmund Bartlett, recognizing his outstanding contribution to the tourist industry. Congratulations, Mr. Edmund Bartlett, and thank you for shining such a beautiful light and giving us a glimmer of hope for Jamaica, and more life, more joy. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Hit that red subscribe button and just keep it real.
You're watching Deep Roots TV. Fire,